Do I have lipstick on my teeth?
Yeah.
This one? Hello!
Hi.
This is my mom.
Hi, I'm Mom.
So today I'm going to be doing my makeup on my mom. I let my Instagram followers vote on whether I should do a review on some hair product that I like or do a makeover on my mom, and the makeover won by like 5 votes.
Yay!
Are you excited?
Yes.
Don't lie!
I never used that much makeup, so I don't know how I'm gonna look like.
I'm basically gonna do what I do on myself every day on my mom. So we'll see how it goes. Are you ready?
Alright, yes, ready.
I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown primer, the vitamin enriched face base. I love this primer. It is so nice. And you use it too, right?
Yes, I bought it because she bought it.
Yeah, and it's great. So I'm gonna put on a lot. My nails are super long and I don't want to poke at your eyes.
I hope I don't lose an eye.
Okay, so I usually do the primer first after moisturizing. You're already moisturized. I'm going to do your eyebrows and your eyes. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. I use it in medium brown because my hair is orange, so it's not super dark anymore. But I don't think it'll look crazy on you.
I hope not, no.
Do you do your eyebrows?
No, I have enough eyebrows. I think that's enough.
So I'm gonna just shape the outside, because you do have a good amount of eyebrow hair.
Oh yeah.
Do you tweeze your eyebrows?
Sometimes.
Sorry. I went too low. There we go. Okay, now fill them in a little bit. I use Anastasia for the pen, but I use Ulta's brow pomade to actually fill it in because it's cheaper and I think it works great. I'm kind of just following the shape of your natural eyebrows, you know? I'm not trying to create anything, any shape that's not there. I'm going to use the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I love this eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now. Hold this. Did I just spit in your face?
Moisturizer.
It's a very thin black line, not sure if you can totally see it, but it's there. For your eyelashes, I'm gonna use the ones that I'm wearing, the same brand and the same model, I guess. Kiss brand Lash Couture in Little Black Dress. I wear these almost every day because they're not really long and they look pretty natural to me. It's hard to tell that they're fake sometimes, unless you like are really into makeup, then you'll know they're fake. These are brand new and I'm gonna put them on my mom. I've cut the lashes to fit your eye. I usually put on lashes with my nails because they're very long, but because you're another person who's not me, I'm gonna use tweezers like people normally do. Okay, lashes are done. How does it feel?
Weird. There's something stuck on my eyelid.
Well, good, that means it's working. This is the Mad Lash Black Mascara by The Balm. I got this in an Ipsy glam bag, like a lot of stuff that I use, and it is really good. Oh! No, it's okay, I didn't get anywhere. Did I touch your eye?
Almost, yes.
Oh, God. Okay, now the lower lashes. You don't have any lower lash hairs, you know? Okay, so the eyes are done, and now we move on to the skin. Okay, so we primed your face. For foundation and for a lot of other stuff, I use Fenty Beauty in shade 230, and we're about the same skin color, I think. And even if we're not, this is the only one that I have. So, and to apply the foundation, I will be using the Fenty Beauty 110 foundation brush. Oh.
And on my sweater.
No. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Tell you what. I'll just. Okay. Wait. It's fine. It's fine. I brought the camera in a little bit closer. I realized it was already a little far, so now you get to see up close what I'm doing. Reminder that I am not a makeup artist. I just like doing my makeup. I don't do makeup on other people, ever. So my mom is my guinea pig. I'm excited. I think this is gonna come out pretty good. Now we're gonna do the concealer. I just started using this creaseless concealer by Tarte, and so far it's pretty good. I've only had it for a couple of days. I'm wearing it right now under my eyes and on my nose, and I think it's pretty good. Do you use concealer a lot?
Nothing at all. Unless I'm going like to a wedding or to a big party or something, but not every day.
It takes me like an hour to get ready, so.
It takes me like 5 minutes, so.
Your nose is really tiny, so I don't feel like I need to contour your nose or anything. It's already really small. I'm gonna use one of my, I guess they're not numbered, I'm gonna use one of my brushes from my iBeauty oval brush set to blend out the concealer. How long have you been wearing makeup for?
Well, I'm 49, and I think I started like at 15 in the 80s.
What were the makeup trends back then?
Oh, I don't think there were any trends like today. You know, there was no YouTube nor anything, so just what the package said, that's what you would do.
What did you start off wearing when you started wearing makeup?
Well, I think it was only like powder and eyeliner, that's it.
Would you wear it up here or on the lower lid?
No, only on the upper.
Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks Contour Stick in Mocha to contour your face. Now you said you don't use concealer. Do you use anything to contour at all?
Nope.
Do you own any?
I just recently bought one, like 2 days ago, but I haven't used it.
I have no jaw, so I do the chin specifically to give me a little bit more of a face. And the jawline down
Where it's supposed to be.
Right. I'm gonna use another brush for my iBeauty oval brush set. It's a set of 10 and they come in all kinds of different sizes. You'll be seeing a couple of them. So the way you're supposed to do it, that I know, is that when you are contouring, you want to just buff it out, not move it around. Buffing out motions in the same little spots, because you don't want your whole face to get brown and muddy and gross. I'm gonna use another one of my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, but this time in bamboo. I'm going to go in with this and go under where I applied the contour. We're gonna add a little life to your face. I'm gonna use some blush. I think the brand is Seraphine Botanicals. I've had this for so long that the front is gone, so I don't know what it used to say. And I think the color is Happy Hibiscus. I'm gonna blend you out more because I feel like I didn't blend your face enough. Now, I don't use setting powder, I just use finishing spray. This isn't the last step, but I'm just gonna use it right now before I apply the next couple of things. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter in travel size because it's half the price and it lasts a pretty long time. I use this a lot. I also use De-Slick because I have oily skin, but you don't have oily skin, right?
Here, no. In my house, yes.
Right. My family's from Texas. I'm from Texas too, but I live in New Mexico where it's really dry. But my skin is oily all year round.
All over the world.
I just decided to use some eyeliner on the lower lid. This is Lord & Berry in Travel Black. I got it in my Ipsy Glam bag again a couple of months ago. And you still have a little eyeliner left from yesterday, because you wear eyeliner like every day, right?
Yes, so my eyes look a little better. Well, I have big eyes, but I think that without it, I look like nothing, like bear. So, every day.
That's why I use the false lashes, because it makes my eyes
Yeah,
look
I'm gonna try to
bigger.
start to do that.
Good. Like I said, I'm doing my makeup routine on my mom, and I use fake freckles. I'm going to use Freck, which is a product specifically made for fake freckles. I used to do another method that took a couple more products, but this is just like a liquid liner almost, and you just dot it on your face, and it dries like freckles. And you don't have any freckles, right? So.
Well, I don't know if they're freckles or age spots.
See, now we gotta go somewhere because you're gonna be wearing so much makeup.
We gotta go do lunch.
Yeah, let's go to the mall.
Let's go to the mall.
I think I got your nose, but bigger.
Mine and your dad's.
Yeah, because Papi's nose is pretty big. So I got the shape of yours, but the size of his. Great. Genetics. It's fine if the freckles don't look super even. Freckles aren't even naturally, so it's actually good if they look like someone just spit in your face with some chocolate or something. Okay, maybe not that bad.
No, please.
My favorite part, the glow. Oh, it's all dirty. Now I'll be using the Moonchild Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this palette. It is so cute and so pretty, and I use it every day since I got it. Right now, I don't know if you can tell, I'm wearing Blue Moon, which is this purple one. So that's the one I'm gonna be using on my mom. It's like a light purple, right?
Mm-hmm.
And purple's your favorite color.
It is.
So you want to do it high up here on the top of the cheekbone. You want to do it where the light catches your face so that it highlights those parts of your face. Okay, now you're super glowy.
Shiny.
The last step is the lipstick. I'm really bad at applying lipstick on other people. We practiced already a couple of times, and each time I messed up. So this part's gonna take a while. This is my mom's lipstick. She loves MAC, and so do I. That is something I inherited from her. I have like 30 different MAC lipsticks, and my mom gave me a lot of them actually. This is shade Rouge on Snow. We're gonna put this on your face. Hopefully only on your lips. I always overline my top lip, almost always. So I'm gonna overline yours a little bit and hope it doesn't come out crazy. I'm gonna use a very tiny brush for my Eye Beauty collection so I can brush on the red lipstick. Yeah, I don't think it's terrible at all. Especially not for my third try. Okay, I think we're done.
We're done.
Yeah. This is my face on my mom's face, pretty much. But I think you look great.
Thank you. I hope so too.
She hasn't seen herself yet.
No.
Let me... Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Right?
Good.
Yeah. It's good. The phone doesn't do it justice.
Yes, I'm prettier than this.
Thank you for participating.
You're welcome.
Being my
Thank
guinea
you.
pig. If you like this video, then thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can just click the little button down there. And I'll be bringing you other videos. If you want to give me suggestions for things that I should make videos about, you can let me know on Instagram or down in the comments. And again, thank you for watching. I appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye.